Introverts come out to play. You know what time it is. Time for another nice high quality adventure with your boy. So where shall we go today?
Are we as strong as we should be?
Welcome to the Braunfels Farmers Market, people. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing great. How about you?
All right.
Well, this one was ready for smoke, really.
I thought mine very young and strong. I just put it in her mouth.
Nothing like a nice high quality farmers market, people. Check it is. Oh, why not?
Are you shopping today?
Yep.
Just taking pictures?
I'm shopping.
Yeah. You gonna try our favorite, our best?
Yep.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. And which one is this?
That is the original smoky. Super delish. And I have a napkin. Some sanitizer if you get sticky for your camera. Alrighty.
Oh, wait. All right. How you doing?
That was this very top one. Here you go.
Yeah. Well, you can actually throw this away.
Oh yeah, if you're done, I'll take it. Thank you.
All right. You too.
Hi, how are you?
How you doing?
Good, good.
What we got here?
Yeah, so we have pasture raised pork, chicken eggs, and duck eggs.
Let me get a dozen of.
For sure, yes, sir. Anything else I can grab for you today?
No.
Any bacon, breakfast sausage?
Where's the breakfast sausage?
So breakfast sausage, it's ground up, so it's sort of like a Jimmy Dean style type. But it is very delicious. It's just ground pork and other seasonings.
Oh yeah, let me try.
For sure. I also have sausage links, 13 and 15. Well, the ground is 13, the links are 15, okay?
Yeah.
Eggs are ready. Let me grab that.
Okay. So,
And sausage. And can I get you a bag, yeah?
Yeah.
Alrighty, there you go. You're all set, Mr. Rico.
All right, I
It's nice
appreciate
meeting
it.
you.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
All
Yes,
right.
sir.
I got my tortillas and I got my sausage and
You got-
eggs.
you're set.
My breakfast tacos.
I know, it sounds delicious.
All right, take it easy. Gluten free, she says. Let's see. Let me try the donut. Pretty good, man. How you doing? All right, we appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. Check it out, you got Barking Bad. Look at that. That's high quality doggy stuff. Look at this. Doggy bandanas, man. Cool stuff, man. And right next, of course, to the farmers market. How Are you good? You have process. And normally, people, I would just use the DJI Nano, which I have on top of my nice high quality hat. But we broke out the big boy, the S1 2E, the Lumix S1 2E. So we're still doing some introverted filming. But with a little bit of twang on it. There you go, they got a nice high quality bar. Look at that. Whatever you want, they got it. There you go, the Shy Coyote. Bam. So what did we learn today, people? Well, we learned that people are friendly, especially at an event like that. It's a farmer's market. Those business owners are not going to harass you or give you any pushback because they figure that you're going to post wherever you post or upload and then give their companies some exposure for free. So this is what I'm telling you. You have to take advantage of certain situations, and me knowing that it's a farmer's market, I said, let me go ahead and bring the DJI Osmo Nano and also bring out my little S1 2E. With all that being said, people, us introverted creators need to get out and record and find situations that you can take advantage of. When you're filming yourself in public, it's going to be a little bit awkward, but the awkwardness is, the more you do it, the less it seems so awkward, but it's still going to be awkward if that makes any sense. It's like jumping in the pool or jumping in the ocean. Every time you jump in, it's going to get cold, but after you let your body adjust, it feels normal. With that being said, it's your boy, Uncle Rico, aka the Introverted Creator. To the next episode, people. Peace.